Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex FS for analyzing the major pairs as well as minors, gold, silver, copper, crude, US30, Bitcoin. So before we get into this week analysis using Elliott wave theory, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully, and I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's move on to our watch list. So it starts from DXY, end with gold. And last week I didn't done my analysis because of my busy schedule. So sorry for that. And let's move on to our analysis. So DXY, as per my expectation, what we discussed about the 15 days before, week before, I'm expecting from here that bounce. Either this could be reached up to the 108. I'm expecting the bounce. So that is my target as of now. So before that, so what kind of correction it is in that weekly or monthly position. So this is my pathway. So how I'm looking this, I'm looking for 122. This is my target. So before that, whether it is going to reach from here or after the retest of 108 and again one more low, after that from here it can bounce. So this will be the correction. So this is the pathway I already determined here. So this is the way I'm looking for. So this kind of wave pattern. So from here in the shorter time frame, so as per now, this is the one beautiful impulsive wave started in that 4 hours. So this is a 1, 2, 3. So whether the 4 is already got ended and 5th wave is already completed one impulsive wave, or these are all that 4th wave and still we are in the hanging and one more 5th wave can be, it can do the 5th wave like this also. So either this process or it could be another one more way down to retest this one. After this I'm expecting this one. So either this is an impulsive wave or the correction part, one more correction and one more impulsive wave I'm looking. So after this we have to look for this after the correction of the 105. If it reached here the 105, then we need to look for this wave structure. So anyway I'm looking for this as a first target of 105, 106. After that 108.3. this is the 108. Yeah, 108 is my target for the shorter term. And if shorter term, but if the DXY get very strength, the dollar gets strength. So if it is going very aggressively from here, because in USD SGD exactly the I already shared my trading view in the trading view on all the social medias who are following me in those things. So this is the one WXABC. So one bigger 3-way structure has got completed here. So this is the 3-way structure, this is the 3-way structure, and this is the one another 3-way structure has got completed. Means there is a chances sorry, from here to shoot. So my next target for this one is, this is the one 1.56. This is my target for the longer term. In case if it is again going to be like this, also possible, but we need to look for this wave structure start from here. There is a chance of look, say in Elliott waves, if you are using the Elliott waves, we need to be alternate wave counts to be ready, and you need to be a lot of alteration. What I am not getting that, but you need to use all that waves uh, one or two possible setups. Either it can do like this or this one. So like that only you need to use the Elliott waves. So either this is the one, it's guaranteed one, this one. So whether it is going to reach up to a 1.37, but I am in the buy section, you know very well about from the past 15 days I am in the buy. So exactly I caught from here. Everyone it's called is the here falling knife. Exactly I caught it here, and still I'm having the two positions. So now how I am looking for this one, whether it can reach like this kind of structures it can do. But anyway I am looking for this only the bullish, not the bearish one. So if you look into this, the USD SGD, so DXY also I am looking for this one. So let's complete this one for the shorter time, then we can analyze the pathway for that dollar. So I'm very so tired of my business and the other share business, so that is why I'm a little bit sleepy mode. So now I'm looking only for this kind of, but I didn't updated my all that pairs. So just I'm doing only this week only the YouTube. Not if I found any time I will update my chart. So Euro USD also, either the 5-wave structure is got completed here, or this is the 5-wave structure is got completed here. So anyway one impulsive got completed, and I'm looking for that one more 3-wave structure. After the completion of this correction I'm looking for this one. So either this could be the end of the correction. So as per last 15 days back I already mentioned this. This could be the WX, A, B and C. This could be that wedge formation. Exactly did that same one. So now I'm expecting the downtrend, or it could be the correction also. So this could be the impulsive wave, or ABC is a A, so in the zigzag formation, or it could be WX, ABC is a 3-way corrective pattern, and one more 3-way structure. After that one more again 3-way structure. Again it can reach up to 1.18 also. So what kind of correction is this in the weekly? So this is the one impulsive wave or 3-way structure is got completed here, and this is the 1, 2, 3 is yet to complete. Whether it is already completed here, this is the correction, or this could be the correction, but that positional target is here 8.5 to reach. Another 3-way structures I am expecting here, but this is also weekly time frame. So now as of now in the shorter time frame I'm looking for that little bit correction, and one more high is also possible, but let's wait for this to complete the correction. So one 3-way structure is got completed, means this could be the simple correction also, and from here also it can go to the downside, or one more 3-way structures in the shorter time frame. After that one more again 3-way or 5-way structures. So this pattern I need. See, there is a chances to end completed here itself, because if you measure this wavelength, it's beyond that 618 here. So I'm looking for the 786 or 1 level. So let's wait for the corrections to complete here. It looks like impulsive wave, and here in the shorter time frame it's a very beautiful 5-way structures here we got already. So after the wait for the 3-way structures and one more impulsive way to the downside. So I'm looking only for the correction part. So GBP USD the same, whether this is the one it's got completed. Look at this. I'm looking for after, if it breaks this previous high, and exactly it did 1 or 2 pips above the previous high and it came down. So whether it is going to do like this, and it is doing the same thing, so one more high is also possible here, the same pattern I'm looking for. So wait for the corrections to complete. So it could be a very simple like this to retest again this zone. After this correction is got completed, one more impulsive wave. 1.33 is a beautiful zone. I love this zone to short. So everything I'm looking for the same pattern. Euro USD, one more low and one more high. Like that in GBP USD, one more low and one more high. So the longer term is to the downside. So USD CAD, same pattern, nothing changed. The correction part, and it not yet broken the previous low. So one impulsive wave here to the downside. After this I'm looking for the 3-way structure. So if it breaks this low, for example, if it breaks like this, and again I'm expecting this impulsive wave, this will be the corrective part. One more impulsive wave to the downside. After this I'm expecting this one. So if the Euro USD, GBP USD, DXY, everything it is in the correction part. So if the DXY gets strengthened from here, it can do like this also. So if it is not broken this previous low, there is a chances to break this high and one more low. So anyway I'm looking for this correction. So what is mean by this? If it breaks from here to after this high also, then that will be the bullish shape. I already informed that. If it not broken this low, and if it breaks the previous high, so this is the chances for making this could be the correction part. So ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and this will be the ABC. So this is the end of the complete of the correction, and one more high. So wait for this. I think it will take May around in the May or June, I think so. The correction has to complete. So next is USD Jeff, same pattern, right? This is the 1, 2, 3 is completed. This is the 1, this is the 2, and this is the 3. In that expanded flat pattern, it's got completed, and this is the one. It's a messy here. So this zone is a very important, and it will do like this, and then it will do like this. So this is the one I'm expecting. So whether it is going to break the previous high, this one, I already marked this as a target position, or this is the one to break again, not this one. So if this is the W, this is the X, and one more Y to break this one. Or if it is a triangle AB, so this could be the C, after that D and E, and one more down. So this will become the bigger triangle. So I'm looking for this kind of wave structure in the weekly, but in the daily or 4 hours I'm looking only for the bounce. So in case in the alternative view, if once again, yeah, in case in the alternative view, if it goes like this, and if it breaks the previous low, we need to look for this, what kind of pattern is this. Then so whether this is the W, this is the X, this is the A, this is the B, and one more C. So if it comes like this, and I'm expecting another 3-way structure. See, these are a lot of patterns in my mind. It's keep running, but I need to see all the wave structure in the chart. not only that what I'm thinking. So what I'm thinking, it should be presented in the chart also. So if it did like this, these are all the lot of options it can do. The market can go up and downs, but what you did, so whether the market it's accepted my analysis and what I'm thinking, if it is doing what I'm thinking, so then I'm in that market side, I will be in the market side. So how I got that USD SGD? So let's wait for the pattern to complete. See, I keep on saying that pattern to complete means that, see, we need to, I'm expecting from here itself the buy, right? From the bounce I'm expecting. Keep on watching this one. And what I expected here, the bounce. From here also what I expected from the bounce. But what it did exactly, it broke the all that low, took all the stop loss and bounced. That is why I'm not keep the stop loss. It can see the analyze after the market. See what I thought, whether this could be the third, this could be the fourth, and this could be the fifth. If you place the stop loss here and you got stopped out, and what it did, the result. So that is why if you are playing for that positional trade setups, if you are knowing very well and if you are in believe your analysis after the practice, so no need the stop loss for this market. It didn't go anywhere. If you are too good in the technical analysis and if your strategy is it's proved, and all the targets got achieved. I already shared my all the targets. So you need to believe that you need to take a risk. Without taking the risk, if you need to earn money in this field, it's impossible ones. So like this, I'm expecting means we need to believe that, and you need to take risk. And if you look in this weekly chart, look at this engulf in that previous support zone. So whoever that plays the stop loss here, it's all stopped out, and now what is the result is going as per your analysis. So this is the correction on impulsive correction, impulsive. So wait for this, whether this is the impulsive or correction, we need to wait for that. So if this is the impulsive wave, so we need definitely it will go above beyond this level. So either if it is the correction part, but it's not looking, as per my knowledge, this is not looking like a correction. So wait for this for the shorter time frame correction, and then one that impulsive wave is a very important one. So whether this is a 3-way structures to complete, or this could be the completion of that 5-way structures. Again, it is doing the bigger 5-way structures. We need to wait for this. See, these are all the positional, means we need to hold the position. At least you can book the 50% and wait for the 50% to for the next week. And if you are placing the trial stop loss, and you may trialed out also. So if you are too good in that correction part, then only you can catch the impulsive wave. So let's move on to USD CHF, what we already discussed. So I'm expecting only the impulsive wave. So either this is the expanded flat means again it will go above this level, the previous high level. So it's looking like a C wave for me. So wait for this. I'm also keep on watching this one. So if it comes again one more low here, so one, but I missed this one. So I'm keep on watching the USD CHF to buy. So USD JPY, this is the one is a stronger impulsive wave to the downside. So I'm looking only for the corrections, not for the impulsive wave to break above this one. So I'm looking for the correction. So I don't know whether how long this will took, and it is not correlating now to the gold. Previous I thought this is the correlating with the gold, but gold is not yet completed that my target to reach the 1450, but it already reached that previous high of 151. So I'm looking for the corrections. So the correction can up to 140, and after that one impulsive way to the downside and one more high I am expecting. But here in the bigger time frame, look at this. This is one A, B and C is completed. So whether this is the one is, if we took this as a ABC, ABC, so another ABC means here again it can reach up to 115 level, this levels. But if this is the whole thing is a triangle, so this is A, B is the triangle and this is the C, means whether the C is got completed and we are on the WXY, the connecting wave for the further high, or this is the A, B, C. So this could be the 1, after the 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are all, see, lot of possibilities I'm presenting here. But what is this now? This is an impulsive wave. So wait for the corrections to complete and one more impulsive wave to the downside. So then later we will discuss about that. So now, so far I'm expecting the bounce. That's it. You need to play for that bounce. So USD CAD we finished, USD CHF we finished, USD JPY we finished. So now we need to go for that Australian dollar. So the bigger picture is in the downside for the target to break the previous COVID low. I'm expecting that only, nothing else. So now here what we are looking in the shorter time frame, this is the one I'm expecting. So this is the one impulsive wave. So I'm expecting the correction. After that one impulsive wave. So if you are expecting this, what it will do? It will go above this high. Sometimes, not every times. It can do like this. So then this will become the expanded flat and from here it can bounce. Or if it is going to like this and retesting this level and one more bounce. Or this is the end of the correction and we are in the downtrend, that is also possible. Look at this, I am looking for this one previous from here also, and I already updated this one, right? This could be the A and B and C, but what it is doing here, it's not looking like, see, this is looking like a wedge formation. So this is the impulsive way down and I am looking for the correction and one more down. So anyway, I am looking only for that correction part to retest this 6 level. In this zone, I am expecting the next target. So what it will do, either we are expecting this one, market will do like this also. So then this will become the corrective part. So these are the options. So you need to be too good in that correction part. Expanded flat or running flat, or it could be a triangle in the correction, or it could be a zigzag. So wait for that, all the patterns. So next, New Zealand dollar. Look at this, I'm expecting this one, right? So whether it is from here, it is going to do like this, or this is the completion of that correction and one more impulsive wave to the downside. Sorry, that correction part, this impulsive correction, impulsive, and from here it can retest this zone also. But anyway, I'm looking only for the corrections. In the DXY is also correction and everything, it is in the correction part. Means the dollar is going to strength. So how long it is going to strength? So this is the completion of that correction, or it is going to complete the one more three-way structures here. See, I'm able to do that Australian dollar as a correction part in the three-way structure. It's looking like a three-way structure, but in New Zealand dollar, it's looking like the impulsive waves got completed and one we are in the correction part. I'm not going to complete this one as an impulsive wave, but I'm not sure about this. So it can do like this also. After that, one impulsive wave to the higher side, 7.2 or 7. So next, New Zealand, same. look at this. I'm looking for the correction here and one more impulsive way to the downside, whether it is going to break this low or whether it is going to be again this one. So one from the low, one impulsive or one three-way structure has got completed. So previous what I thought, from here it's a B, C, D and E. So this could be the expanded expanded triangle, and I'm looking for this one. So either this way or this could be the bigger correction also. So if you are looking to trade this all the patterns, you need to concentrate. You can't concentrate in all the 5-6 pairs like that. You need to be concentrated in 1 or 2 pairs, then only you can make money. And I already tested those things. Now I'm keep on watching only that USD SGD as of now, and I'm already having the shorts in Euro USD, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. So only I keep on watching this 4. So now the Euro New Zealand is the pattern I'm looking for. Whether this could be that, if it is need to valid, so we need to place the stop loss here. If it comes like this, you can short here for the target, bigger target. Otherwise, if your stop loss got hit, no worries on that. Again it can do like this, the same pattern. So then this, we need to consider this as a impulsive wave. It's got completed here. 1, 2, 3. One three-way structure has got completed. Again one more three-way structure. After that one more three-way structures to the downside. So anyway I'm looking for this target. But if you need to look for this target, it can see these are all daily and weekly charts. So it will take more than a year also sometimes. So wait for this to valid your analysis, the market. So next is Euro New Zealand US30. Look at this. This is the impulsive wave. After this correction, impulsive wave. So it looks like in the 4 hours, look at this correction, and here also it's looking like a correction. So what it will do, maximum it can do like this. So this will become the corrective part. This is the one pattern I'm expecting. So if it did keep on doing like this, again if it breaks the previous high, example like this, immediately it can do like this. Then this is the bigger part, and from here I'm expecting the impulsive wave. This is the one, whether it is going to break the previous high or whether it is not going to break the previous high. So again it can do like this, but in my view it will break above the high only, because in the Nifty it's already did that same pattern. It's already broken the previous high. So I'm looking only for this like this. So this is the bigger corrections, and this is the third wave is already completed, this impulsive wave, and we are in the fourth wave. It will took more time to complete. It's not that easy one. This is a bigger fourth wave in the weekly time frame. 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is already completed. So again we are 1, 2, bigger third is already dead. So we are in the bigger fourth. So this is a very, very difficult one, how we are in the gold. So the same, after the completion of the fourth wave only, the fifth wave is got impulsive wave to complete all the thing. So if the fifth wave is got completed here, the gold can retest it for that 1450, what I am expecting. So wait for this These are all in the correction part. It's very, very dangerous to trade here, unless you didn't know about the correction, what kind of correction it is doing. If you simply place the stop loss and looking for the target, it will hit you a stop loss and keep going, and what you thought, okay, stop loss is got hit, so it is in the buy section, and if you are willing to buy in this high zone, again it will took your all the stop losses and it will do like this pattern, and this will become the correction part, and from here it can bounce. So whether it is going to break this high or it is not going to break the high, and it can again come to the downside like this, whether it could be expanded also, expanded the flat correction and one more high to break the previous high, and after this I am looking for the downtrend. But if it breaks this high, that will be the lot of 99% I am looking only for the running flat. So it's already did in the Nifty, so I am looking only for this kind of the corrections. Go through and slow my video and looking for this kind of correction part to complete. So if all did like this, I'm looking for buy after this correction, either sell for the shorter term like this kind of impulsive wave, and after this I'm looking only for the buy if it breaks the previous high. So next is S&P 500, same pattern. Look at this. From here, if it goes high, I'm looking for the downtrend. So this need, from here also there is a chances to, this is the completion of the correction, right? So there is a chances, but it already broken this high. Yes, that means it is in the buy. It's a shorter term buy. So means this could be the correction part what I am expecting now. So once the correction this part is completed, I am looking for the bullish. So in US30 it is already reached this zone, right? Look at this. It's already almost a 78.8 retest, but in S&P 500 it's now it's a 50%. So wait for this. These are the correction part, and one impulsive is getting ready. So this pattern to complete. Once this pattern is completed, then you can go for the buy. So whether it could be a triangle also. This could be the triangle also. ABC is A, B, C, D, E, and then from here it can do. So next is Bitcoin. What did? Look at this. It's already pre-planned, right? What it happened? Everybody will buy here, and it's now in the downtrend. Look at this. I'm expecting this one, right? From here, what it did? And this is the one. After the completion of the structure, we can label it anything. But what we predicted, that is the one. From here, it can retest at this zone, and I am expecting to the downtrend. So it is in that cell. So whether this is the one A or ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and A or C. So one impulsive. Look at this. You go for the previous video. But if you are looking for more concentrated in the one pair, you will get your you will believe your analysis and you will take a risk. You can get the reward. Until that, you can't make money. Concentrate in one or two pairs. That will more help to earn money. If you concentrate like me, all the pairs, and you will get diversify your money, and you will earn whatever you are getting the effort. We are putting your effort in all the analysis. It's a waste of time in my experiences. See, I'm keep on watching all the pairs, and if you are explaining to you all that details about the analysis, the market, it will go like this, everything. If I get tempted and if I keep on investing in all the pairs, I will get disturbed in all the analysis. It's very easy to analyze the market. But trading is entirely different mindset. Trading is the opposite is not the market. Opposite, it's your analysis. See what I'm expecting from here. I'm expecting from here the downtrend, but market will do after the structure. If you are concentrating the more concentrations, and sometimes you will get more confident in the opposite side also. From here also it can do like this. So wait for the structures, whether this is a impulsive or corrections. Wait for the structure to complete. We didn't know whether this is an expanded flat or running flat, or it is going to be another triangle. Can't say. Or this is the end of the trend. No idea. But if it is struggling here, so there is a chances for to the downside again. But we can't get a conclusion here. Wait for the pattern to complete. That's it. Whether if you need to place a stop loss here, or whether you need to place a stop loss here for the sell, or if you need to place a stop loss for the buy. So everything depends upon this structure to complete here. If you are too confident this is the one, you go for this as a placing the stop loss. Wait for this. So otherwise you need to look for this correction, means sometimes it may hit your target also without you. So it's all depends upon your confidence. So let's move on to copper. Look at this. Whether from here it is going to do like this, or from here it can go, but it's failed now. So now I'm looking for that downtrend. So either this could be a bigger, and from here again one more three-way structure, or from here it can go for the three-way structure, anything. So I'm looking for downtrend. That's it. Simple. 1, 2, 3 is completed. So whether this is the correction part already completed, or it is going to be a bigger correction part, we can't say. But from here it can reach the target also, or from here it can again going for the bigger consolidations also. So these are all the, see, if you are need to be a positional trader, if this is the correction is got completed, you need to look for the sell here and hold, wait for the pattern to complete. If it reached here, at least book your 50 or 25% of your lot sizes, and then wait for to whether it is going to reach here, or again going to be a three-way structure, and again going to be a bounce. So everything you need to look. It's not as simple as per that what we are analyzing here. Trading is very, very difficult. At that mindset you will see, keep on analyzing is entirely different mindset, and trading is a different mindset. Psychologies will affect you while in the live market. So let's move on to the crude. It's a beautiful trade setup. I missed because I'm more concentrated in that all the dollar pairs. I missed this beautiful trade. Look at this. Previous, I thought I already explained whether this is the completion of the correction. So from here I can expect the downtrend. Previous I already analyzed like this, or what I expected from here it can bounce to reach the 90 zone. So this could be the correction part. So what it did, lot of people will place the stop loss here, and it took all the stop loss. What it's doing, this is the one. So now simply this is an expanded flat. ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and C what I thought. So this could be the end of the correction, but again there will be a WX. So now this could be the A and B and C. So if you looking for that correction, market won't give the correction, and immediately it can do like this, or from here it can reach the target. So this is the ABC is a A, so this whole thing becomes the B, and C will reach the target. So this portion is whether this is the fourth or this is the completion of the end of the trend here. This could be the end of the trend. Possible. Everything is possible. But we need to be in the buy side for this one, at least for the smaller target. So if it reaches the 90 zone, we need to look for that. We need to exit our positions because it can do like this also aggressively. Then we will market this as a 3 and this is the 4 and we are on the 5th wave. So from here this also completion means, in my experiences, my thing is we are in the 4th wave, but it could be anything. I may be wrong. So trading for the 5th wave is, I won't accept, because if the market is again in the bigger corrections, so we need to again change this one as a 4th and this is the end of the 5th. So how we did in the DXY, I already explained that. Euro USD, all the targets got achieved. So again and again, if you are looking for the sell for the 5th wave, what it happens now? I'm also stuck in the Euro USD. I'm in sell, but I already keep on averaged and looking for that 100 pips like that, and now I caught this one here. So looking for that USD SGD I caught. So everything is now in profit. So it's not that simple as the analysis. It's very, very difficult to trade. So either I'm looking only for this one in the 4-hour chart. Look at this beautiful impulsive 1 2 3 4 5. So now I'm looking for this one like this or this, but anyway this is a one impulsive way started, already started. If you keep on watching for the correction, it won't give the correction and keep on climbing this and it will reach the target of 89 or 90 like this. So this is the one impulsive, this is the correction, one impulsive. It's completed. That's it. Next, silver. What I said, making this as a stop loss, go for sell. What it did, took you a stop loss, but I didn't done anything, right? You know very well. It took you a stop loss. What is the answer? Bang. Market always do like this. If you are expecting to the downtrend, don't keep stop loss. That's fine. See, if you are too good in your analysis, no need for the stop loss. You can know how to manage your losing position according to your account size. So what happens here? So it's a downtrend. So it is going to do like this. Wait and watch, because everything I am expecting for that correction part. So almost it can do like this. Again it can do, maybe it can do like this, or from here it can dictate for the target also. So right now we are on that sell. That's it. If it is getting bounce, looking for the sell, making this as a stop loss for the target nearly 21 like this. So next is gold. Beautiful impulsive wave. So looking for the correction, completion for this one. So if it breaks the again this high, what kind of corrections will be? This part will be the correction part, but it's a very, very 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is the one, whether 5-way structure, or this is the one, it's a A, B, C is a A. Again this will be the B. 1 2 3 4 5 is already got completed, like that Australian dollar, or what I measured in the Euro USD. It's looking same thing, the gold. So the conclusion for me is downtrend, but whether it is getting ready for that downtrend, or this is the one, it's a A, So A, B, C, D, E, and bang. It's a running triangle. So wait for that. Sorry, it's a weekend to everybody and I'm so tired. So now I'm looking only for that three-way structure. Wait for that, making this as a stop loss, go for the target. Same in everything. So we already did everything. And what about the natural gas? So look at this. It's keep graining right from here. And what it happens here? Bang. But it is not yet broken the previous low. And see in this 1 hour chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's looking like the impulsive. Sometimes it's looking like A, B, C. And this is also it's looking like a correction part here. So if need to trade this one, it's a very difficult, but you need to, the target is same, my target is same, it's almost it's a multi-year here, right? It's almost low, and this is all the zone I am expecting. So whether this is a B and C means it's keep it the it looks like it's completing, but again and again it's declining. So one more again, everybody wants bounce and everybody will keep on buying. What it will do? It will do and bang, and from here it can bounce. So this is the pattern I'm expecting. I'm not in the buy side. I'm keep on watching this one. I'm not so I'm not looking here as a buy. Previous there is a buy here, and once the three-way structure is got right, and from here, and I exited my position, right? I already explained that. What happened? Again it is not looking like an impulsive. Look at this impulsive downside, and again this is looking like a three-way structure. So if it did like this as per my expectation, and I will go for buy. I'm watching this also to catch that falling knife. Let's wait, but I'm not in buy now. I already booked the profit and I exited my profit. I think it could be like here or here. I did that trade. I didn't remember now. So hope you enjoyed my analysis. So happy weekend to everybody, and the next week we will see you the correction to complete and the impulsive way to get started. So thank you. Have a nice weekend to everybody. Bye.